Okay, so here's the problem with the laser. Let's go over the laser. We're going to power it up. It's connected to the PC. So I'm going to go over to the PC in a second. First, the PC is already plugged in, so I'm going to plug this in. And you hear that noise? From somewhere, I hear that noise. Okay, that's powered up. I'll come over my PC. I'm going to run Benbox, which is a red icon here. And my PC does show the device manager ports. It does show that it is connected. And when I go over to Benbox here, I'll go take a look and it shows connected. So it shows connected, but the problem is when I go to Benbox, I push to move it, nothing's moving here. None of them move. So I'm assuming the controller board is shot.